In this video I will style and showcase the Margiela sneakers in black. It's a leather shoe with a suede overlay and rubber soles, and very recognizable by the brand stitch detail at the heel. The branding is also displayed by the logo patch at the tongue. Sizing wise, they fit true to size. Since I don't usually wear low tops, I had some trouble in styling these with the right pants, but I think they work very well with the style of pants that I'm about to show. First, I'm styling these sneakers with these collab pants between Lee and Junya CDG Man. I thrifted these in Japan, and they are just a simple straight leg pant. They fit just above the sneakers and give a good and clean look overall. Next, I will be wearing these navy Burberry pants, also thrifted, that are a bit wider and that fit well over the sneakers. Since it's a low top, I like some part of the sneakers to be covered. It's a looser fit that also works well. Finally, I will be styling them with the Acne Studios 1996 ash black jeans. They have a regular fit, and I personally like how they sit on top of the sneakers. Just a perfect length and a leg opening.